sorry, as I'm saying, move it. Yes, move it.
See how he's sleeping. Anyway, let me put myself together and go get us some food to eat. I think I have some money here. To use that on my face. Okay. It looks great. Right now, I need to get him some soupy, delicious food so that my baby can enjoy all like that. Anyway, sweetie, let me go get us something to eat this morning. Hey, Raja. See that? Anyway, I'm stepping outside. I want to get us some breakfast.
Yeah, sure. It's very necessary.
Very necessary?
Yeah.
Hey, by the way, you are sleeping.
Yeah, because like I enjoyed you last night.
I enjoyed wine last night. You asked for you, eh? Anyway, that's fine. It says so.
So what are you going to do, my beautiful?
Oh, I want to eat what you want to do.
Yeah, oh, you know, I also prefer, the watches.
You still prefer what? What? With salad?
Yeah.
With salad?
Yeah, with salad. I really love the cabbage, egg and fish. But I prefer this willy.
Willy.
Yeah.
I got you.
Carrot, whatever they call it.
I know, right? Yeah. Let me go get it for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I love you.
I love you, baby. Okay.
It's good when you hit it well, you sleep very well.
I'm going to get you anything.
You hit it well, you sleep very well. That is it.
Sure, baby. See you.
All right, I love
and then
you.
You know what? Once I'm stepping out, let the cleaner come and then,
All right, okay,
clean up the place so that you feel refreshed.
You look good, beautiful.
I look great. Thank you.
Make sure you don't keep long.
I love you.
Yeah. You see, like, I want to change the environment tomorrow, you understand? So, me then, my woman will come some holidays. Yeah, but my junior bro to release in album. He say, I forgot the title. Yeah, who there? Okay, the cleaner, right? Alright, we can come inside. So, yeah, Spender. Yeah, I'll Spender. He released, this single before. Yeah, are you okay? Before, like, he released this, how do you call it, EP. There's only one single called Obeti. Yeah. Sure. Maybe we are going to check out maybe Sunday evening. Yeah. And there is this program that will be going on at Friday. Yeah, at American Village. Yeah, they say Easter Jam. So I'll be coming. Yeah, right away. After the call ends. Oh God. You need to shake people.
There is a young girl, her name is GYNEL. Content queen, she dey run things well. From Ghana to the world, she ring that bell. Anytime she drop video, you get cast that spell. Fine girls with the body big.
Hello, how are you? Can I have a word with you, please? If you don't mind, I hope you're not today, how are you? So let me have a word with you. How many years, I don't know, when you started this work, how many years have you been doing this work?
Just a month.
Just a month.
Yeah.
Just a month. So meaning like enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
Like what brought you like what ended you to do this with you? But you look very good and like you don't deserve to do this with.
It's difficult to get a fitting job. So I have to manage.
Your level of education.
Oh, I have to eat well.
Good. So like I mean you're educated, right?
Yeah.
Okay, like I have links because like you don't deserve, to be doing such work. Like looking at like the one of your caliber, like how beautiful, how good you are, cleaning, and how much are you paid? You've been paid in a month.
500.
500 cities. And what do you reside? You still feel like you.
Yeah, we sleep here and then over the weekend we come.
500 cities for a month. But then a picture like a woman like you, 500 cities. Even like how much do you even recharge your your airtime? Like you buying your bundles and then airtime and prices level is very low.
I don't even have a phone.
Look at all this. Tell me you are kidding. You know something? I'm into that because sometimes there is a saying, Obia in your for you see that in life. So that feel free. Sometimes in life, everybody then how you meet his destiny looking for you. Yeah, so I would love to know you, but you're saying you don't have to right now. Well, I would love to have your contact. You look very good, beautiful, sexy, attractive, and then you don't deserve. Come on, a graduate and you are doing cleaning job and being paid 500 cities. Who does that? But I didn't even ask you. What's your name? There is you are God, right? Okay. I'm also Botarian. I'm also Kapu. I'm also Kapu. Then voters and grant you. You're like brothers and sisters. So something. Right now I want you to do me a favor. Okay. I'll make sure I get you the phone and then action. So I want you to do me a favor right now. Trust me. You don't know me, like I don't want to be talking too much for you to get to know who I am. You understand me? I have more links. I'll help you. Okay? Yeah, sure. But something you're very beautiful, and then on one condition, I want you to make me happy. Come on, feel free. After a year, I'm going to get you a brand new phone, the 17. Like yeah, sure, trust me, and I'll give you some money to start some business. This money does not fit you. You understand? So you need to make me happy. Okay. So you know what it is, man. Lie down for me. Okay. Oh, Lord of mercy. Just lie down for me. Then do this quickly, Yeah, because I came here, with a business partner, and she'll be coming soon. Okay. So let's do this, okay? Let's do this. I'm going to make you happy, okay? I'm going to get you a brand new phone, and then.
Baby.
I'm sorry, as I was saying, more. Yes, more. I have more. So, more, okay? I'll get you.
Jesus. What did I just see?
You just saw what you saw, am I kidding?
You are telling me I just saw what I saw.
No, I mean like.
So I am stepping up to go and get food for us to eat.
It's true.
This is what you are doing.
But now.
That's what you are doing, Baby, this is what you are doing with the cleaner.
I can explain. Not to the part of the thing.
Hey,
trust me.
Hey, man.
Not to the place. I can explain.
You can explain what? What are you going to explain? What I am seeing right now. What are you going to explain?
She just twisted it like a hand, and I was trying to fix it for.
And you're going to now.